a quiet revolution in construction is beginning to take shape, not through cranes rising slowly over months, but through machines building structures in hours. In Japan, a railway station has been created using 3D printing and robotic precision, a process that replaces traditional labor with automated accuracy and transforms construction from a prolonged effort into a rapid and controlled operation. This is not just a new method, it is a redefinition of how infrastructure comes into existence. At the center of this transformation is robotic 3D printing, where industrial arms guided by advanced software deposit layers of concrete with extreme precision, shaping walls, curves, and structural components directly from digital designs. These robots operate with consistency, reducing human error, minimizing material waste, and enabling complex geometries that conventional construction struggles to achieve. The entire process shifts from manual assembly to programmed creation, where design flows directly into reality without interruption. What makes this development remarkable is the speed and efficiency it introduces. Instead of building everything on site, components are printed in a controlled factory environment, then transported and assembled with precision, turning months of construction into a process measured in hours. This approach not only accelerates timelines, but also improves quality control, reduces environmental impact, and allows infrastructure to be deployed rapidly in areas where time and resources are limited. This shift signals a broader transformation in how cities and systems will evolve. Construction is no longer bound by traditional limitations of labor, weather, and time. Automation introduces scalability, where structures can be replicated, modified, and deployed with unprecedented flexibility. Infrastructure becomes adaptive, responsive, and integrated with digital planning systems, reshaping how urban environments are designed and expanded. The implications extend far beyond a single railway station. This technology opens the possibility of rapidly building housing, transport hubs, and critical infrastructure in response to growing populations and changing demands. Disaster recovery, remote development, and large-scale urban expansion can all benefit from systems that build faster and smarter, reducing delays while maintaining structural integrity and performance. Challenges still remain in scaling this approach, including regulatory adaptation, material durability over long periods, and integration with existing construction standards. Yet progress continues as research and implementation advance, refining techniques, improving materials, and expanding capabilities. Each development brings this method closer to becoming a standard rather than an exception. This is how the future of construction is being rewritten, not through incremental improvement, but through a shift toward automation, precision, and speed, where buildings are no longer assembled piece by piece, but printed and deployed with efficiency. The railway station in Japan is not just a structure, it is a signal, a glimpse into a world where infrastructure is created as seamlessly as it is designed. Subscribe to Dezen and step into a future where technology is not just advancing, but transforming the way we build, design, and expand the world around us. Like, subscribe, and be part of the evolution.